Hi, my name is Michelle Sins, and I'm here to discuss Picture Exchange Communication Systems, otherwise known as PECS. The Picture Communication System allows people with little or no communication to communicate using pictures. There are 6 phases. Phase 1 is how to communicate. This is the first phase, which means you only want to introduce one picture, single picture, um, and they learn to exchange single pictures for items or activities they really want. So, for example, if I'm working with my early pre-K students, and they might use something like this for snack. They might give me something like Oreos, snack, or maybe they want to play with blocks. Phase 2 is distance and persistence, still using single pictures, but learns to generalize the new skill by using it in different places and with different people. So with that, my students will usually have a binder similar to this that will have a few pictures. When we're walking to the cafeteria, they might use it if they want milk or if they need cereal. So this way they can communicate to the staff what it is they need. Phase 3 is picture discrimination, and the child learns to select from 2 or more pictures with a communication or ring binder. So here is a ring binder. This one is actually for one of my 5th grade students who has autism but is recently new with and only speaks Portuguese. So we have included, because we want to teach her English, so we've included some visuals, pictures with English as well as her native speaking language. And inside are different pictures. I need a break. It's also said in Portuguese. Computer. We also have our specials and teachers that she will be working with throughout the day to help with a visual schedule. In the back, I always like to keep a little area with blank, so this way, and a marker. So this way we can add to her communication binder as needed. So if she's going around campus and she's having difficulty understanding, sometimes we use Google Translate to then go ahead and in her language write down certain words or pictures, whatever it is to help her communicate effectively. Phase 4 is the sentence structure. So in this phase, they learn to make simple sentences on a detachable sentence strip. That could include, I want, a strip like this. They may say, I want blocks. This is great for when you are, we also do verbal behavior. So we want to have items that are easily accessible, that they request, that they're motivated by. So maybe they want bubbles, so they're working for bubbles. Phase 5 is answering questions using PECS to answer the question, what do you want? So back to the same thing is the I want fish crackers, and there's a picture of fish crackers. I want, and then lastly is the phase 6. Now the child is taught to comment in response to questions. What do you see and what do you hear? So for those, we have simple I see, and then we also have these strips can I have, which is also useful for things that they're motivated by. So those are the phases, and I usually use phases 3 through 6 with the students that I'm working with. So it's a great system that allows for communication with my students, and also it helps parents communicate with their children. It's very effective, and it helps decrease, emotional outbursts, or getting frustrated, the students getting frustrated if they can't communicate. So there's an array of pictures. It's a great system that we use throughout our school, even in our general education population. Some of the first and then picture boards are used to help kindergartners and first grades communicate their needs and wants. Thank you for listening. Bye.